Hi, Mark Leibovitz here, and today I'm in the heart of Forest Hill at 201 Vesta Drive. This magnificent home is truly a special place. The finishes are luxurious and the attention to detail unrivaled. This home has over 4,600 square feet of exquisite living space and includes 4 large bedrooms and 6 gorgeous bathrooms. And I know you'll fall in love with this stunning kitchen, complete with all top-of-the-line appliances. So let's go check it out, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Enjoy the tour.